Hello, my angels, my dears. I'm Angel of Angel Culinary Kitchen. Thank you for choosing to watch my channel today. On this channel, you'll see me do cooking and baking as well as cooking and baking techniques. Every first and third Tuesday of the month, I'll do Technique Tuesdays, and every Thursday at 11 a.m., I'll do a cooking or baking recipe for you. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of the video. I created this recipe for a 2.5 to 3 pound whole chicken cut up into 8 pieces. But as you see here, I'm using chicken wings. I wanted to try something different. You can find the entire recipe in a link in my description box. Okay, back to the video. When handling raw protein, be sure to sanitize your hands and any objects you've touched to eliminate any cross-contamination. If you don't have multiple cutting boards, place a barrier like a plastic wrap between protein and the cutting board, as I did here. sure to pour salt over and a lot so the marinade can both tenderize and season well. When you've done enough piercing, place this bowl of chicken in the refrigerator while you make the marinade. Place all the zest, the juice, sugar, white wine, and salt in a large metal bowl large enough to hold all the chicken pieces and whisk to blend well. Whisk in the oil and the honey and whisk well. Whisk in the tarragon and the orange juice concentrate. Taste and adjust seasoning with more orange juice concentrate, salt, or black pepper if needed. Mash and roast the garlic well and whisk into the rest of the marinade. Now place all the chicken in the marinade, turn to coat all pieces, cover with plastic, and refrigerate overnight. Remove each piece of chicken separately from the marinade. Let excess marinade drip off of the chicken back into the bowl and place each piece of chicken on the baking rack. Place in a 375-degree oven to roast for at least 10 minutes. Remove, turn over, season this side, place back in the oven for 5 more minutes. Remove from oven and apply first application of the mango barbecue sauce on one side. Place back in the oven for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove from oven, turn and apply second coat of mango barbecue sauce, then return to the oven for another 5 minutes. Do this once more, the turning and the coating of the barbecue sauce to get a nice thick coating. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Subscribe, why don't you? And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new uploads. Many blessings and much favor. Until next time.